Hey everyone, Jason here from Private Tabs. I'm going to give you a quick video here. It's going to show you how to install extensions. I get asked this question all the time, how to install extensions, especially anything that we don't have, like the shows on sale extension. So what I'm going to do is show you how this is done, all right? When you're in Private Tabs, you need to launch the Chrome engine, like what you're seeing here. Then what you have to do is you have to essentially hit the plus button and open up a new tab launcher. So it looks like this. You'll notice in the plus button it says default right here, default colon. That means you're running in non-protected mode, right? You cannot install extensions unless you're in non-protected mode. So you have to be on this screen, right? Then all you do is you go to the Google Chrome store of where that extension is at, right? So in this case, there's the shows on sale extension that's in the Google Chrome store right there, right? All you do is you simply copy it and you paste it and you put it in the default thing and hit paste right here, just like that. You'll notice that now it says add to Chrome. Whereas if you're in one of these other ones, right, you cannot add it to Chrome. So you have to be in the default store. You hit add to Chrome. That's it. You just use install. It's just that easy. You'll notice there it is. Once it's installed, you can also click the extension icon right here. Right here, choose pin, right? And then it will always pin it right there. So it's always there for you. And now you're good to go. And whenever you're browsing, you just hit the pin. Now, obviously, you need to put your token in there. Shows on sale will charge you $99 a month for this extension. So our partners Ticket Flipping over at ticketflipping.com, they've got some updates coming out, which is going to have the price sheeter tool built right into that extension, which automatically comes with Private Tabs already. So as long as you're a ticket flipping customer and you've got Private Tabs running, you really don't have to do anything. You'll just get the latest extension. I believe, though, that it's probably not going to be coming out until June or July, but if you'd like to get it earlier, you can always give the guys over at Ticket Flipping a call and they can give you an early version of it. But if you go to ticketflipping.com, just give them a call, tell them you'd like to have a price shader tool that works with Private Tabs. They'll hook you up really easily because they are one of our partners, and that is the one that we recommend. But I'm showing you the shows on sale because I know a lot of our customers use it and they're wanting to figure out how to do it. So that's how you do it. All right. You can do that with any extension, not just the shows on sale. So there you go. It's just that easy to install extensions in Private Tabs. You can cranking out updates. So if you go here, you can essentially download it. You can get it. These are the 3 versions. I highly recommend if you're a ticket broker, you get the $4.99 version. It comes with proxies, comes with everything you need. If you don't want to pay $4.99, you can pay $2.99 and get it without the proxies. You're also missing a few other little tools as well. So it's well worth the $4.99 though if you're a professional ticket broker. Don't even bother with the $150 version if you're a ticket broker. That's more for sneaker people. The other thing I'll tell you is that if you have a team of pullers, right, you can give me a call and maybe we can work out a deal where we can discount things for you for your team users. All right. So give me a call and we will talk to you later. All right. Have a great day. Thank you again.